Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to add Google Tag Manager to Shopify. So of course you want to go over to tagmanager.google.com and you can have your account as easy as simply creating an account with this button right here, and we have ours and you can see our container ID, and this code will be important down the line of this tutorial. So first you want to click on your account which you just created. You're going to definitely have this and you can click on that. And then you want to click on the admin. Then you're going to click on Install Google Tag Manager. Here you have two codes or two snippets. You have head and body tag. So we're going to click on head first, and then while that is copied, we're going to go over to our Shopify store and then click on the three dots right here. You want to make sure you're on the online store area so you can have this. And then once you click on the three dots, you're going to click on edit code. So once you're here, you want to go over to the top right here and search for theme.liquid. And you'll see theme.liquid and layout, and you can click on it. Great, and so we have it right here. So once you find this, you want to go over to the head because we copied the head snippet. So you're going to click on the right of the end of the head tag and then press enter once, then paste the snippet. And then it's time for the body. And we're going to scroll down and look for where we have body. So we have body right here, you have body, class, and all this information. And then this is where we want to get our code snippet into. We're going to press enter once again for this area. We're going to go back to our Google Tag Manager, copy the body tag or the body snippet, come back to Shopify, then make sure you're on this line and then paste it. So once you're done doing that, pasting the body tag and the head tag or scripts, you're going to come over here and click on save. After that's done, you want to go over to your settings. Then while you're under settings, you want to click on customer events, and then you're going to click on add custom pixel. And here you'll need to paste in your tag manager ID. Here you need to paste in your pixel name. To get that, you're going to go back to your Google Tag Manager. Then you're going to go back. And then right here, you want to copy the container ID, but not everything. You just want to copy this. And once that's copied, you want to paste it right here and click add pixel. Then once you do that, there will be the code error right here, and we're going to paste in a code. Now this code will be found in a link in the description down below. So once you have this, you can click on save, and you can see pixels saved. We've done this because we want to make sure that the tag will be following up to the checkout page of your website. So you want to do the same. So now that we've pasted the code, we want to come over to where we have GTM and some X's right here. And you can see some instruction, replace GTM X's with your ID. So we're just going to simply highlight this and replace it with our tag ID. After that's done, you're going to click on save at the top right here once again, and you can see pixels saved. So you can have this work flawlessly. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to add Google Tag Manager to Shopify.